and the road is finished. Smooth as butter.
Wait! What about the pipes? The pipes!
What? I can't hear you.
The pipes! The pipes!
Pipes? What pipes?
You're supposed to replace the old water pipes first, then lay the asphalt.
Pipes? Why am I just hearing about this now? Oh no! Go, go, go!
Joules, Gage, today's your first day on the job. You're about to learn what city utilities are all about. Around here, we always aim to do things right the first time. Whoa, whoa, watch out! What in the world is going on here? Bridger! Bridger!
I'm so sorry. I told them the pipes needed replacing first.
What a mess! Sorry, kids. We usually get it right the first time. This is not our finest moment. Tomorrow, there's going to be a meeting. I want every utility department there. No excuses. Listen up, team. Meet our new apprentices, Joules and Gage. They're here to learn how our city utilities work. Now, we've got a big job ahead of us, fixing the disaster from yesterday, because clearly some folks love to lay asphalt before replacing pipes. Right, Bridger?
It won't happen again, Wells. I really thought they knew.
For tomorrow, I don't have a set schedule, but let's remember, we do it all. We handle electric utilities, power lines, poles, transformers, gas utilities, underground pipelines, leak response, trash and recycling services, public works, streetlights, potholes, signs, road repair, and more. Every day there's something new to fix. We'll keep you busy. Let's call Kay and check when our new water pipes are arriving. Maybe she can show us how they're made. Hi, Kay. Are the pipes ready to ship?
Hi, team. We're wrapping up the last one right now. Let me show you how they're made. First, we take giant steel coils. The coil peeler unwinds them into the pinch leveler, which flattens out any bends or waves. Next, the edge miller smooths and trims the sides so they can be welded perfectly. Then, the steel goes through the forming station, which bends it into a round or spiral shape. After that, it's time to weld. And finally, the flying cutoff machine slices the pipes to exact lengths while the line keeps moving. The pipes are ready and headed your way.
Thanks, Kay. Let's roll out. Bridger, get the excavators. You two, manage street traffic. Only one lane is open now.
Yes, sir.
Let's start digging.
These are ancient. Time for an upgrade.
get them welded. Great job, team. Pack it up. It's getting windy.
Mr. Wells, the lights are out!
Once the storm passes, we'll head to the substation. The town needs power ASAP. What a mess! Gage, cut down the fallen trees. Joules, use your auger to drill holes for the new power poles. Kay's at the utility pole factory. Let's check in. Hi, Kay. We need electric poles. How are they made? And when can we get them?
Hello? I know you need them fast, so here's a quick look. After the trees are harvested, they're sent here for debarking and shaping. They're cut to length, then dried and treated to last for years. Your power poles are on their way.
Thanks, Kay. Let's replace this blown transformer. And don't forget, power off first.
Power's back.
What? Say that again. The town pond is on fire? Send the fire trucks. Come on, team. We need to get to the pond now.
Fire and water?
Whoa, the water's on fire. How is that possible?
I've seen this before. A gas line beneath the pond ruptured. The gas is bubbling up and igniting. Fire trucks can't help until we shut off the gas. Here's the plan. Bridger, shut off the main gas valve. Then we drain the pond and dig to reroute the pipe around it. Maybe the pond wasn't here when the pipe was first installed. Utilities can get complicated, especially as towns grow. Sometimes pipes end up where they don't belong.
Well, here's your problem, Wells.
Bridger and pipes. Never a dull moment.
Why are we rerouting it, Mr. Wells?
Because the pond's coming back with the fish. If something goes wrong again, we want easier access.
Pipes are rerouted and sealed.
Pond's filled and fish are home.
Great work, team. Joules, Gage, you're officially part of the city utility crew. And thank you for joining us. Utility workers help keep our cities running safely and smoothly. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.